It's that time of the year again where we're all thinking about being outdoors and preparing our yards and our gardens for family fun and entertainment. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, and to all of my subbies, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Good morning, priceless people, and I have smoke in my eyes. I can barely keep my eyes open, so that's why they're looking kind of red and looking kind of watery. But Mom and I decided today to start a little cleanup on the property, and you see that smoke back there? I'll give you a close-up. I'll give you a close-up in a minute. So we've been having strong winds and rain for the last couple of weeks, and that means branches are falling out of the trees. So it's springtime. It's now time to clean my yard. So Mom already started by planting a few flowers in the yard, like these tulips, some small white azaleas. I don't know what that is. Some more tulips and some more azaleas. And we also started our container gardening. We have red bell peppers because we love our peppers. These are curly kale. And yes, if you're new here, this is a kiddie pool that we're planting our vegetables in. We have some yellow bell peppers and some strawberries. Red bell peppers. And over here, because we couldn't find the plants, so Mom purchased some seeds. And in these little Dollar Tree containers, we're going to start our plants. We have collards, cabbage, lettuce, and okra. So, hello, I'm back again. This time I'm at the Home Depot and picking out some rose bushes and some other plants for our Johnson family park. We want to get everything nice and beautiful and ready for summer season. So, I'll turn the camera around and show you what I have so far. So this is what I picked up so far. This rose, it's let me see, the double knockout rose bush. I think that's going to be pretty. And I also have 2 of these yellow roses. So that's what I picked up so far, and let's see what else we can find. If you're a first-time visitor to my channel, by all means, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I would love for you to become a part of my YouTube family. Here on my channel, I feature home decor and all things lifestyle, which includes cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping haul, and so much more. So now it's time to plant all of the beautiful flowers I picked up at Home Depot on yesterday. And I have two little assistants. That's right, two of my three amigos, my little cousins, came to help me working the yard today on their spring break. Leave me a comment below if you love planting flowers and gardening as much as I do. So my little cousin said, it's nothing like coming to the Johnson Ranch and learning new things with you. So I'm giving them an opportunity to learn how to make or arrange potted plants. So we'll see how this turns out. Good morning or good day, Priceless People. It's the next day. Next. Probably so. And it's Friday, April the 15th, 2022, which means it's Good Friday morning. So I'm up early. It's about 7:35 in the morning, and I'm checking on all of my plants that we planted on yesterday, and I'm going to water everything up. Don't you hear the birds chirping in the background? There's nothing like country living. So I'm refreshing my fire pit because perhaps after Sunday morning worship, coming home for Sunday dinner, my family and I will probably sit down in the park and just relax. I'm using Rust-Oleum high heat black paint. Thank you so much for joining me today for the beginning of my spring yard cleanup. It's so much to be done here on the Johnson Ranch, but I just love coming outside under an open heaven and nestled under these pine and these oak trees. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video. Y'all see the smoke? I've been raking leaves all morning long. Bye-bye.